I just don't show this too much. So, I don't know what this is about. Well, it says Cranberry Golf Center. There are 2 new stores around. The Scandinavian. So, I'm heading up to Cranberry for a bit. And I don't know, chill out for the day around there. I haven't been to Cranberry in a while, so I figured I would walk around a little bit, do some videos there. And this is on Sunday, January 28th of 2024. So, yep, we'll be, this is the turnpike right now. I just don't show this too much. There's one area, like, coming into Cranberry that you see, like, a park. Like, it's like a park owned by, like Dick's Sporting Goods. I don't know if they changed the name of it. I know last time I saw, like, that's what it was called, but they might have changed the name because it's been a while since I've been up there. But in any case, I'll see you guys in a bit. So it is raining. And I wish I could try to find something to do not as outdoors. Or, yeah, but I don't know. I mean, I just came from Big Adventure, so, and it's not like I live that far from here, so it's not really a big deal. I mean, you'll see my Big Adventure coming up. And believe me when I say, it is a big adventure. But I may do something. I just don't know what. So I don't have my coat, so I don't want to walk around in the cold. And apparently we're getting heavy rain. So, I mean, our options are very limited. I can say that. So, I don't know what this is about. Well, it says Cranberry Golf Center. The Smiling Moose. I don't know. I drive by it sometimes, but I've never actually been inside of it before. Now, I want to try the Chipotle in, near the Beaver Valley Mall. I haven't yet, but I hope to. I've heard mixed reviews about it. So, I don't want to go there and say anything negative because they're just opening up. So, but I haven't eaten there yet myself. So, it could be getting better. But I definitely want to check that out. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. Kind of one of those rainy days. Not bad, just I mean the games are on tonight, so and I just got done with a weekend from West Virginia. Saturday morning or afternoon I got back, so I just got done with a week from that one, or a weekend from that. So that's why I'm not really worried. I'm just kind of doing this out of like, maybe something interesting. But this could be just a driving adventure. But probably primarily mostly is. And I could release it sometime in like, later on in the year. So by the time you see this, I mean it's January 28th when I'm filming this, but probably won't be out till like late March or late February. And I don't really know what I'm doing today. Just kind of drive around and see stuff. So we'll see how it goes. See you guys in a bit. So I'm at the Walmart, and I seen there's a few new stores open now in 2024 that I haven't before. I probably can't go in any of them. I don't know. I'd like to sneakily try to go in and show like Valentine's Day stuff, but I don't know if that's in the carts. But I gotta go to Walmart anyway, so I'll see you guys in a bit. So I did want to show you there are two new stores around. The Scandinavian Designs Furniture. I know it's kind of hard to see, I'm a little far away. But yeah, that's the new store. I think the Harbor Freight has been there for a while though, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that Harbor Freight's been there. But the Scandinavian Designs Furniture, that's new. I've never seen that before. And as you can see, you still have Best Buy, Barnes & Noble, and all the other stores that were there. This is where I found out about Five Below. That's not here anymore, but there's a lot of Five Below, so. And it used to be Five Below, but now it's like 25 and up. Everything's getting expensive anymore. I don't know who can afford anything anymore. But can't do anything about it. You just have to keep hanging on. In any case, I'll see you guys in a bit. So I was gonna go back home, but I decided, you know what? It's raining, nothing else. I'm just gonna go watch a movie. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go see a movie, and give you guys a review on it. And I'm at Cranberry Cinemas, so I'll see you guys in a bit. So I just saw The Beekeeper. It was on my list of movies I wanted to see this year. And we finally found a good movie this year. They have a poster of The Beekeeper. And it was a pretty good movie, actually. I don't know what to think about it yet. I need time to think about what I want to say. But I think for now, yeah, I think for now, this is going to be the end of a regular Cranberry day. And I'll see you in the next.